my YouTube channel. To make garlic bread toast, we need these ingredients. The garlic and then add some butter to it and mix it well. Apply butter on the bread and put some capsicum and onion on it. Grate some cheese over it. Sprinkle chili flakes, oregano, and pizza seasoning. It is completely optional, but it tastes delicious. Take a pan, heat it for a while, and then put that garlic bread on the stove. Put a lid over it and let it cook for half a minute or so. And once you see cheese melting, take it out on a plate. And here you go. It looks delicious, isn't it? As well as it tastes yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.